This is tutorial for 3D origami cupcake. After you have folded all your paper and stacked it, you should have all of this as shown here. What you're going to do is take all your cones off and you're going to make a base of 13. And to make the base, you'll stack the cones like this. So one down, one up, one down, and you'll keep going until you have 13. Just keep going, stacking them. Count how many cones you have. You should have 13. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go ahead and pull them all off. You're going to need most of them. You should have a couple of cones extra for both colors when you're done with the project. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I have 13 there, and what I'll do is join them together, and as you see that I can stick my fingers inside and just go ahead and tighten them up a little bit, and then go ahead and start stacking them this way. To put the cones on, you go to each pocket, and then you want to make sure that you're not going directly over a cone. You have to go in between the spaces and join them together like this. And go all the way around, and you're going to repeat the process until you're done. Do another row. Now this is going to be the bottom of your cupcake, the paper part that the cupcake fits into. You see that's how it looks on both sides. Keep going. Sometimes in order to make your cones fit, you have to bring the points in, and then you can squeeze it, and then just go ahead and squeeze the points together like I'm doing to get the points to match up. One, two, three, four, five. That's how you count the rows. I need 5 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this doesn't look like I want it to look like yet. What you're going to do is squish this down. And then you're going to slowly, it doesn't seem like it's going to go, but it will. Just slowly push it down, and then you'll feel it transfer to the other side. And then here you go, here you have it. This is the bottom part of the cupcake. You can make it go the way you need it to go. So that's the bottom. Now we're going to start working on the top. Go ahead and take all your cones off. Now this is what you call a reverse cone, and this is a normal cone. It's sticking outward, and what you're going to do is do the same thing. Do not place it over the cone itself. Go ahead and place it over 2 points, and this is a single row, and what you're going to do is just go ahead and stack them and push them down reasonably tight, and this is a normal row. Okay, so you can push them down, and next you're going to do a cone that's 2 regular, 1, 2, and then what you're going to do is you're going to increase by sticking the cones together in between one pocket and pushing them down. This will make the cupcake bigger at the bottom, and then as we get about to this point, we are going to reduce the cones, and I'll show you how to reduce. So I'm going to go ahead and put 2 regular, 2 in between, and it doesn't matter if you pick the outer pocket or the inner pocket, it just matters that you have 2 in between one, and go ahead and do another 2. So as you know, this is increasing. This is going to make it bigger. This is going to be inside. You're going to do another 2. And then 2 in between. And then you're going to have a single space. And I know that you have a single cone here, single. Just go ahead and do a single. Push them down a little bit. The next row is going to be normal cone. This is the normal row. Keep going all the way around until you have finished the normal row. Going over 2 points each pocket, just like so. Here you have it, a normal row. And the next thing you're going to do is put 2 normal cones, then place, you're going to decrease now, you're going to deduct space, so you're going to put 1 cone over 3 points, just like so. Next one, over 3 points, 1, 2, 3, just like so. Then you're going to put 2 regular, then go over 3 points. You may have to try this a couple of times before you get it right, but it's possible. And then go 2 points, 2 points, 3, 3, 2, 2. Okay, so and that reducing part worked out really well because it took the last cone. As you see, I'm going to go ahead and scrunch it up. I want the points to be together, so when I put the last row on, that it goes on like I want it to. Sometimes the cones pop off, like a cone like this may pop off. Just put it back on. If you have to, put some glue. This is a normal row. So squeeze your cupcake. This is the final row. Go ahead and squeeze them down. This will add to your shape. Don't press down so hard that you actually rip your paper, but you're going to need to hold your cupcake and then roll it around like this, adding some pressure, and this will round the top off. Do it again. And there you have it. There's your cupcake. Red velvet cupcake. Thanks for watching. This is Mark from 3D Origami Dream Bank.